Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a Roth IRA on Vanguard. First, gather personal ID, social security number, and bank routing info to link funding. Next, create a Vanguard account with a username and password, then complete the Roth IRA application by choosing account registration and beneficiary details. Finally, fund the account and pick funds that match your risk tolerance and timeline for retirement. Start by visiting Vanguard and selecting Create Account, then follow prompts to enter your personal details securely. Use a strong password and enable two-step verification if offered for extra security. After account creation, verify your email and sign in to begin the Roth IRA application, making sure your name exactly matches Social Security records to avoid delays or verification issues during setup. Link your bank using routing and account numbers, then transfer an initial deposit to meet your investment plan. Decide whether to invest in Vanguard Index funds, ETF, or target date funds based on fees and diversification. Consider setting up recurring contributions to dollar cost average and maximize the annual contribution limit if possible, while keeping emergency savings accessible and monitoring allocation annually to stay aligned.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.